of it.
Do you guys like to jump?
Yes.
Do you guys want to build a kicker ramp?
Yes.
Then let's get started.
Woohoo!
Let's go.
Us kids love to jump.
Especially at the bike park and the trail, but we're not always able to go.
That's why we decided to build a homemade kicker ramp. So then we can go around the neighborhood and in our backyard and jump.
Measure a 1/2 inch thick plywood with a T-square or a long ruler. Use a thin PVC pipe and flex it to draw a curve. Here's a diagram and dimensions for a kicker ramp.
This next step requires a power tool. And if you're a kid, you might want to get an adult's help with you on this because I'm a kid, I'm not going to use a powered jigsaw.
Yup. We're gonna trace this first piece that we already cut out so both sides are the same. So here we have the two side pieces. Now let's cut the 2x4.
So now we have 6 of these 16-inch long blocks from our 2x4s.
And we also have these side pieces.
So now let's start assembling our ramp.
Fun fact, did you know that 2x4s are not actually 2x4s? They're actually 1.5 by 3.5. They've been lying to us all this time.
Dun, dun, dun!
We drilled some pilot holes to make it easier to screw the pieces together.
So we have 4 of the 2x4 blocks at the top and 2 at the bottom for support.
Yeah.
So we're measuring the ramp with the T-square. It's about 31.25 inches. And you can measure it with the T-square because it's flexible.
The top board is 17 inches wide and the length depends on how much curve you have. Put some weight on it so it can curve and screw it in with 1.5 inch decking screws.
We finished building the ramp, we all blinked at the exact same time. And then suddenly, the ramp disappeared, like into thin air. So then we searched far and wide to hunt for the ramp. And we found it, here. And Jiraiya was here too. And he was like, here's a ramp. And we was like, oh, it's our ramp, so we might as well test it out. So let's go test it out.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah!
Thanks for watching this video!
If you enjoyed it, then give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And if you learned how to build a ramp today, then comment down below your favorite fruit. See you soon! Bye-bye.
Go away, go away!